What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have a 1.4 Pro item from Wizard. It is a 3-inch or 75mm multiple report shell. Has some salute brakes in it. Watched the product demo and looked pretty good, so I wanted to check it out myself. It's got the e-match port on the side there. A little different than the Dominator ones that I'm used to. Used to the port on the bottom on the Dominator ones. Product number is PSS074. So again, this is a 3-inch or 75mm multiple report shell. So let's take it out, see how she looks.